Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install ALM Toolkit. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'm going to make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type ALM Toolkit and press enter. You will get this official website, almtoolkit.com. From here, you can see ALM Toolkit is a free and open source tool to manage Microsoft Power BI dataset. So you can connect to your Power BI server and access the dataset. Now download the latest version. We'll select this. This is going to download the setup file. I'll click on keep. So ALM Toolkit is basically used for schema comparison and deployment for Power BI dataset. Once the download is complete, you need to click on open. I'll minimize the web browser. Click on next. I agree. Click on next. So Power BI Toolkit is completely free to use. I'll select everyone. Click on next. Click on next. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. I'll click on close. Now to start the software, you need to click on Windows key and type ALM. You'll get this desktop icon, that is Power BI ALM Toolkit. Click on open. This is going to launch the ALM Toolkit for Power BI, and you'll get a pop-up to select or to connect to your dataset. I'll close this, and that's how the interface of the software looks. So this is the source you need to connect and the target, and you will be able to do the schema comparison and do the deployment of your Power BI dataset. So I'll close this for now. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.